Because Rachel wasn't complicit in that. So sorry. Are you OK?
Yeah, I'm just having a slight wardrobe malfunction.
Yeah, very much. I did see some of your body parts then. I still respect you as a sex object. God, I love you. Right, we can do this damn quiz. It's only a quiz, isn't it? Look at the word quiz. Down, 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 down. I'm going to carry on to help you. But it is just going to be that a lot more. This is just to help you. Oh, God. That's taking advantage of a situation. Well, that was the sounds that we're making. Not with the sounds.
Oh, my God.